Tonight, an update to a tragic case that's rattled Clay County. Today, a Clay County grand jury has indicted a 14-year-old boy on 2 counts of first-degree murder for the deaths of his parents. And that teen is now being tried as an adult. Our Sydney Deshawn sat down with a legal expert to break down what the changes mean, Sydney, as we move forward.
Yeah, Anthony, that legal expert tells me the charges fit the facts. Tonight, we're learning 14-year-old Trevor Lee is now formally charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder in the shooting deaths of his parents, David Lee and Brandy Smith, inside their Middleburg home.
August 4th, Clay County Sheriff Michelle Cook announcing Trevor Lee had been arrested, accused of shooting his parents to death inside their home. After the shootings, the sheriff says Lee walked to a Cross Point church where he called 911. Confessing to the crime, asking the dispatcher for prayers.
I'll listen to you.
Well, I was going to ask if you could pray for me, ma'am. Right now.
I'll definitely be praying for you, son.
Attorney Curtis Fallgetter, with over 30 years of experience in local courts, says this case is unlike anything he's seen before.
I've been there a long time. I've never seen a young man murder both parents.
About a week later, State Attorney Melissa Nelson announcing a Clay County grand jury indicted Lee on 2 counts of first-degree murder. Fallgetter says he expected the charges to be bumped up because the killings appear to be premeditated.
Obviously, the young man put some thought into it. Society deserves the state to file the accurate charges for someone who's murdered his parents. And first-degree murder is the right charge.
He says the 911 call could help both the prosecution and the defense.
Prison's is going to be a bad place for a 14-year-old, but that's where he's going to land unless there's some mental health issue. Psychiatric and his age would be the only 2 mitigating factors that would help him.
With Lee charged as an adult, he faces a possible life sentence if convicted. But Fallgetter says because of his age, Florida law could allow a sentence review after 25 years.
Now, that doesn't mean a judge is going to cut the sentence down. So if there's an opportunity for him to get a shorter sentence, maybe 30, 40 years instead of 100 or instead of life, that might be some incentive for him.
Now, Lee's next court appearance is set for August 19th. That's at 9 a.m. And funeral arrangements for the parents have been set for this Sunday, and that's happening in Tennessee. Sydney Deshawn, First Coast News, on your side.